Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so I wasn't planning on vlogging today. I was gonna kind of just get some things done and take it chill, but I figured today I want to try a little different style of editing than I normally do, so we just gonna jump into it. I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're getting into today, but y'all just gonna be coming along and viewing this as y'all view it and see it, because I just want to play with the edit today. That's literally the only reason I'm doing this vlog, but it's also kind of like some stuff in here that you guys will be able to see. So anywho, let's just jump straight into today. You want your shake too? Shake. Doors open, man. Alright, so just pulling up here at Saxby shop. You guys know that since we put the LSA on here, the dipstick has been popping, so it's building more cane crate pressure than we can relieve, so that's why I want to get the Mighty Mouse catch can throw on. But let me go say what's up to everybody in here since I just pulled in. What's up, Blood?
Good with you, cuz.
What's up, Blood?
What's up, bro?
It's my boo right here, you know what I'm saying? We got two kids together, the C5 and the C6. Oh, the guy that sandbagged me. What's good? How you been, bro?
Chillin'.
Feel it, respect it.
What the fuck is this?
A shift knob.
Jesus Christ.
For big men with big hands.
Okay. Oh man.
Man, this mother is clean. Jeez. Man, hurry up.
You put that thing in my butt again, I'm gonna charge you your YouTube dollars.
Hey. smell like cum.
Hey, if you can find me on Grindr, you can have some. Oh, it's a complete kit. Right.
That's a whole kit. What you talking about?
Like he ain't the one bringing in the complete kits. It's complete. You just gotta build it from scratch. And they gave you nothing.
Nah, that's everything right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Something soft. Ooh, all mounted up, you know what I'm saying, with the riv nuts, looking all good and all spiffy in there, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. At home, I got another reservoir, so when I get home, I'm gonna be swapping that out. But we did manage to kind of stuff it in there around it. But this is gonna be gone. Alright, Alright, so I'm just now getting back to the house. I'm actually about to be taking Granny and Nita out to the movie, so I'm about to go in here and take a shower and shit. Alright, what's good? It is the next day, and we got a few more things to do, so let's get into it. Alright, so you guys know that yesterday we ended up doing the catch can setup, and today we're going to be going to my boy Janky's, and we're going to be adding the new coolant flow reservoir to it. I'm gonna have to make some brackets and get this thing on here all nicely because that's kind of ugly. So yeah, also while I'm out there, I'm gonna be going to Works Customs and I'm gonna be talking to Jesse. We're gonna have a little sit down and talk about the 350Z. Some of you guys may have seen the video that this thing does have a few issues and it kind of needs to be resprayed. So not gonna talk too much about that. Me and him actually have a meeting. We're gonna sit down and talk about it. Yeah, I see she looks cool on video, but some of you guys may have seen like the issues where certain pieces are chipping and stuff. So that's what I want to talk to him about. And yeah, I'm not gonna speak too much on there right now, but there is a few problem areas that really need to be addressed with this thing. So let's get into it today. Alright, coming up Riley's. Need to get some like little line real quick. That fits this, and then we good to go. Here we go. Got our hose. Now we out. Bruh, what is going on?
All right.
You get weirder and weirder every time I see you.
I take you down a 9-year-old talking. I'm telling you, bro.
What's going on here?
9-year-old Tongan.
It's pretty wild.
It's like Corvette, man.
CTSV hood, sir. Alright, about to get this overflow in. Chinese safety glasses. Push, look at that stance. The stance of this formation right here. Extra torque.
Oh, get in there.
Gotta penetrate it. Not hard enough.
That sucks a bit.
That's what she means when she says size don't matter.
2-inch Punisher.
Oh, come on, Butterfingers.
Fucking fat ass fingers and shit.
A little baby gusset.
Goose it.
Ooh, hold on, why you running so fast? Why you running away? Man, look at that professional eBay part right there, baby.
Looks like it was made by a 7-year-old Chinese slave.
There it is. All good. So here's the motor for the E30 just sitting here. I need to order parts so this fool can start the E30 project. But I was telling him I'll trade him this super sick K24 for this LS3 he got right here.
What? Say that again?
We're trading the K24 for the LS3.
really not.
No tranny.
See that smile on his face?
I was like, you know you or what?
Shit, bro.
And it looks like we cleared. Oh yeah, we got hella space in there. Good. Ah.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better run up.